Hey, this is John with Alpine Motors, and this is a 1966 AC Cobra Factory 5 Gen 2 car with a fuel-injected 5-liter. This is one absolutely gorgeous car, incredibly well-built and dialed in. If you take a look, it has these beautiful aluminum American racing wheels with these knockoffs on it. Such a nice car. The blue paint on this is a gorgeous deep blue with these white stripes. Looks amazing. Every detail on this car is in incredible condition. Look at these side pipes. Such a great exhaust. Sounds incredible. And when you get off it, it has that great Shelby pop to it. Pop, pop, pop. Sounds incredible. All right, let's look inside. The interior is all a nice black vinyl and leather trim. It is a 5-speed manual car. It has Simpson seat belts. Very, very nice. All the gauges work. Take a look at the rear panels. Very straight, very well done car. Factory 5 is known for the quality of their kits, and this car is a great example of it. All of the trim panels are aluminum, so when you look at the inside trim panels, everything is finished in aluminum with rivets. Battery has been relocated to the trunk. The taillights are the Shelby style taillights, give the rear end of this car a wonderful design and look. This thing is just mean. The side filler, this is your fuel tank fill. It does work, looks great. And then the body line on this side, just as cool. You have these side vents and these upper vents or deflectors that help deflect the air and make this a lot more enjoyable to drive. Let's take a look at the motor. So we'll open up the hood and you'll see it has a 5-liter fuel injected motor with plenty of horsepower to move this car along. It is so lightweight and so agile. It is a blast to drive. It has coilover A-arm front suspension. It has rear trailing arm with coilovers in the rear. Great car, a lot of fun, really an enjoyable ride. If you want a car that is a connected driving experience, just you and the machine, this is the ultimate car to have. So that's why we love this 1966 AC Shelby Cobra Factory 5 car.